Good morning everyone. I am Utkarsh and this is our team.
Myself Aditya Kumar.
And myself Asad Iqbal.
Myself Piyush Kumar.
And I am Aman Raj.
We are from class 10. We have made project on the topic of thermal power plant. Thermal power plant is a type of power station in which heat is generated from various fuel resources like coal, natural gas, etc. is converted into electrical energy. As per the survey, almost 17% of the electricity is generated by thermal power plant, which makes it the primary source of power in the country.
Now I will tell you about the components of the thermal power plant. This is the coal bunker, this is coal mill, it is conveyor belt, it is furnace, it is boiler which is connected with turbine, this is generator and this is transformer with a cooling tower, condenser and a reservoir which is also a cold water resource and a tank which is used to recycle water. Thank you.
Now I explain how thermal power plant work. At first, the coal is carried by the train to the plant and stored. Second, it is sent to the furnace by the help of conveyor belt. Third, this is boiler where the steam is stored. Steam takes more heat and goes to the turbine. Turbine rotates generator to produce electricity. Generator will produce electricity due to change in magnetic field and then goes to the transformer where the voltage controlled and then it is sent to the uses. Then it is a condenser where the leftover steams comes and it come in the water form and then it is sent to the cooling tower where it is cooled down and further is moved to the reuse, and it is the reservoir where water is stored, and this is a chimney. We call this smoke stack, and where the smokes are filtered and goes up to the atmosphere. This is a dust where dust is stored, where it is used in making cement. Thank you.
Advantages of thermal power plant are high output energy. It generates a large amount of electricity which meet the need of cities and towns. Thermal power plant have low startup cost. Thermal power plant also engages employment in the local community. Thank you.
The disadvantages of thermal power plant are the volume of water required, usage of fossil fuel, air and water pollution, and very high maintenance cost. Thank you.
As per our knowledge, we try to do our best. Thank you for giving us this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, sir.
A pleasant good morning to everyone. We are the student of class 5. I am Kumari Gopal from standard 5.
I am Peksha Kumari from standard 5.
I am Aishu Kumari from standard 5.
We are fortunate enough to get this opportunity to participate in science exhibition. Today we are going to represent our project, and our project is working model of state and capital that focuses on easy detection of state and their capitals.
The aim of our project is to know their state and capital very easily.
In making this project to function perfectly, we have to use some materials, and they are black chart paper, cardboard, colorful paper, Indian map, wires, nail, buzzer, LED light and battery.
The process of our project is, first we covered the cartoon with black chart paper, then we pasted Indian map along with state and their capital, then we inserted nails to every state and their capital, connecting it with wires. On top of it we placed 9-volt battery, connecting it with LED light and buzzer. Lastly, we have a conductor. For that we use pen body with wires and nails to monitor state and their capital precisely.
The advantage of our project is help the student learn about geography and political division of India, and also help the student memorize state and their capital in fun way.
Lastly, for a smooth performance, we need take care of certain things. First, we need to check the wire before using them. Secondly, we need make sure the battery is working.
To function this project, first we need to take the first conductor to any state like Rajasthan, then we take the second conductor to any state like Patna. It doesn't make a sound and lights, that means Patna is not the capital of Rajasthan. Then we take the second stick to any capital. It makes a sound, that means Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Thank you.
A very pleasant good morning to one and all present here. Myself, Savar.
Myself
I am Ayush.
Kumar Jha. And my name is Sani Raza.
We are the students of class 6. From industrial automation to exploratory space missions, robots are increasingly integral to modern society. Our project will dissect the fundamental principles underpinning their designs and operations. We will unravel the intricacies of robots and their transformative potential. Here, we are presenting a simple and futuristic robot that will perform backward and forward functions. It can rotate its head in all directions and it can move its hand too. It is fully controlled by a simple remote.
This amazing robot is made up of cardboard and motor and tilted to make it mobile, and we have designed it in such a way that gives it attractive and unique look.
2 motors are fit in its leg, 2 are in its hand and 1 in its neck, and all are connected through wire with battery, which are rechargeable and generate 9-volt power, which helps this robot to perform action, and it is fully controlled with wire and remote.
The aim of making a model of a robot is to understand the basic concept and working principle of robotics. By constructing a simple robot, we understand how robots are built, designed and programmed to perform tasks.
This robot will also help students to apply their knowledge of science, technology, engineering and math subjects by designing, building and programming a small robot, which helps them understand fundamental robotics concepts while developing practical skills, creativity and critical thinking through a hands-on learning experience.
The material used in this project are motor, cardboard, battery, switch, wire, connector, glue, paper and paint.
Robots are widely used in manufacturing, assembly, packing, transport, earth and space exploration, weaponry, surgery, mass production of consumer and industrial goods.
Robots have many advantages. Some of them include efficiency, work faster and consistently, precision, high accuracy in tasks, safety, perform dangerous jobs, cost saving, long-term reduction in labor cost, availability, operate 24/7.
And disadvantages include high cost, expensive to purchase and maintain, unemployment, can replace human workers. And as per our knowledge, we have tried to do our best. We hope you liked it and thank you for giving us this wonderful chance. Thank you.
So can we take it down?
Good morning everyone, this is Midhat, a student of Standard 8, and it's my privilege to present before you my project on disaster management of earthquake. As we know, earthquake can cause significant destruction, but with proper infrastructure we can minimize the damage and save lives. The mankind has faced many challenges through its evolution, and my project aims to save lives by protecting buildings. The material which I have used in my project are cardboard, 8 permanent ring-shaped magnet, 4 pillar-like structure in the lower base, 4 cylindrical non-magnetic structure in the upper base, and colors and some decorative items to decorate it. The advantage of my project is, my project helps people to stay safe by preparing for earthquake in advance. And the disadvantage of my project is, it is costly as setting up of magnets can be expensive and it needs a advanced technology and engineering to make this idea a reality. Thank you.
Good morning sir, my name is Raj from class 6. Today I am here to present my science project, and my science project I am a robot which focus on robotic system.
Robots have always fascinated us, haven't they? But what exactly is robot? A robot is a machine capable of carrying out a complex series of actions automatically. They are designed to perform tasks that might be too difficult, dangerous and sensitive for humans. In this project, we are going to dive into the world of mechanical robot. We will learn about the different parts of a mechanical robot and how all they work together.
The components I use in my robot is a gear motor for its movement, some LEDs, light, switch, power bank, key, receiver, sensor for lift their hand in certain height, and a magnet for attract nails, coin, etc. And there is a speaking system also installed.
Disadvantage of the robot is it is very costly and does not affordable to buy it.
Advantage of my robot is Here is lighting system installed for seeing darkness. We can charge our phone when we required, and it support eco-friendly initiatives. Thank you. And how my robot work? Sir. Hello. Hello.
Hello, good morning, sir. I am Arindam. Program is 925. I am a robot which focus on robotic system. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Hope you are like our project. Good morning, sir. Myself Zia. Myself Sehla. We are the student of class 5. Today we are very excited to represent our project, which is laser light security system that is focuses on security. The aim of our project is to provide security. Material used. While making this project, we have used such materials are wire, battery, sensor, transmitter, LRD, buzzer, laser, cardboard, green chart paper, fake plant, colorful paper such as blue and white. The advantage of our project is it creates beep sound loudly when anyone enters our home without permission. The explanation of our project is, firstly, we take a cardboard to make surface, then we stick green chart paper on it to make green grass, then we make a circuit from laser, transmitter, buzzer, LRD and sensor, wire also. Then we put the circuit one side of the cardboard. Then we put the laser in front of the circuit. Then we make a house and stick between in the cardboard, and we stick fake plants corner of the cardboard. Then we make border from ice cream stick. Then we on the switch and switch on the laser. Then we put hand between and it's make beep sound. That means our laser light security system is ready. Like this. Sir, please put hand in between. Sir, like. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Pratyush Raj. I read in class 1. Today, I will tell you about my project. I have made a working model of rotation and revolution. Rotation of Earth turning on its axis. Revolution is movement of Earth takes 24 hours to complete a rotation respect to the Sun. Benefit: Earth rotation causes day and night. Earth revolution causes seasons. Earth takes 24 hours to complete a rotation around its axis. Earth takes 365 days around revolution around Sun.
Good morning to one and all present here. Respected Principal Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Samiksha Singh from Standard 10th and I am very eager to present my project before you, which is working model of nephron. Basically, nephron is the structural and functional unit of our kidney. Each nephron functions as an independent unit and produce a minuscule quantity of urine. Nephron is about 2 cm long and 20 to 30 in diameter. Nephron can be differentiated into following region. First is Bowman's capsule. This is a cup-shaped structure which is double-walled in the hollow of network of capillaries called the glomerulus, and glomerulus is a mass of blood capillaries with an incoming and outgoing arterioles, and arterioles is the branch of renal arteries. So the function of Bowman's capsule is that it filters pure and impure blood which move to the nephron, and then it further move to the proximal convoluted tubule. And then second is we have renal tubule. It starts from here to here, and the first part is proximal convoluted tubule, which starts from here, to this point, and then we have distal convoluted tubule, which starts from this point and ends at this point, and this loop is called loop of Henle. And this is collecting duct. It is a long straight tube where hydrogen and potassium ions are secreted to maintain the electrolyte balance in the body, and this is the place where maximum reabsorptions of water take place to produce minuscule quantity of urine. And collecting duct में कलेक्टिंग डक्ट से जो फिल्ट्रेट ब्लड होता है और जो फिल्ट्रेट यूरिन जो होता है वो यहाँ आता है, एंड उसके बाद ये यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में जाके कलेक्ट हो जाता है और फिर ये फर्दर एक्सक्रीट हो जाता है. So basically the main aim of making this project is for visual representation of how nephron work, which is a structural and functional unit of our kidney. This project requires simple materials like cardboard, chart paper, clay and some tubes. Thank you.
Good morning sir. Myself Jaijit Ghosh from standard 10, and today I am showing you my project, that is blind glass. In this glass the components are one battery, switch, IR proximity sensor, buzzer, sunglass and some wires. In this project, the main component is IR proximity sensor, that is infrared proximity sensor. In this sensor, the two main components are, one is transmitter, another one is receiver. The transmitter transmits signals at a limited range. If any unidentified object should come on it, the signal reflects and the receiver receives the signal. Then the buzzer beeps. So, my project is attended towards the blind people. If any blind people can wear it, if any object should come on it, just front of the sensor, the buzzer beeps. It has disadvantages as advantages also. The advantages of this glass is you can fluctuate the range of distance from the signal, the range of signal is reflected. So, and its disadvantages is it only detects the object that is come front of it, not the object that is under of it. Example, if any person is wear it and an object is just near, as you can think a bench, it cannot detect that there is a bench, so the person can harm. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम भारती कुमारी है। मैं कक्षा 8 की छात्रा हूँ। मुझे विज्ञान और नई नई खोजों में गहरी रुचि है और इसी रुचि के कारण मैं इस विज्ञान प्रदर्शनी में भाग ले रही हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने ज्यामितीय उद्यान प्रस्तुत कर रही हूँ। मेरे इस परियोजना का उद्देश्य गणित के प्रति जिज्ञासा बढ़ाना और अपने ज्ञान को साझा करना है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सभी को मेरा यह परियोजना पसंद आएगी। ज्यामितीय आकृति वो आकृति होती है जो वर्ग, चतुर्भुज, विश्वकोण, वृत्त और समलंब से बनी होती है। त्रिभुज वृत्त के भाग जैसे त्रिज्या, व्यास, परिधि, चाप, छेदक, स्पष्ट रेखा, खंड और त्रिज्याखंड। कोण के प्रकार जैसे न्यूनन कोण, समकोण, अधिक कोण, सरल कोण, बृहत कोण और पूर्ण कोण। भुजाओं के आधार पर त्रिभुज के प्रकार जैसे समबाहु त्रिभुज, समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज और विषमबाहु त्रिभुज। कोण के आधार पर त्रिभुज के प्रकार जैसे समकोण, न्यूनन कोण और अधिक कोण। ज्यामितीय उद्यान एक विशेष प्रकार का उद्यान है जिसमें आकृति और संरचनाओं के माध्यम से वैज्ञानिक और गणितीय अवधारणाओं को दर्शाने के लिए तैयार किया गया है। इस तरह के पार्क में विभिन्न प्रकार के आकृति जैसे वर्ग, वृत्त, रेखा और बिंदु को आकर्षक शिक्षाप्रद तरीके से प्रस्तुत किया गया है। इस उद्यान का निम्नलिखित लाभ यह गणित और विज्ञान के सिद्धांतों को व्यवहारिक रूप से समझने का अवसर प्रदान करता है। यह जब विभिन्न आकृति और संरचनाओं को देखना और छूना विद्यार्थियों को अधिक रुचिकर लगता है। इस उद्यान के निम्नलिखित हानि। इस उद्यान को स्थापित करने के लिए पर्याप्त जगह की जरूरत होती है। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, Principal Sir. I am Kesav Kumar of Class 5.
Good morning, Principal Sir. My name is Raj from Standard 5.
Today we are here to show our project. It's fire alarm. It's our gratitudinal shout after towards the school for letting us this wonderful project. Today we are pleased to have this model in front of you.
The material required for this project are IR sensor, charging module, buzzer and lithium battery.
It is our will to do to protect our homes and in the same way our society. Today we see the unusual evidences that cause destruction by fire in human lives. So our main objective is to protect people before alarming before it's too late. The advantages of this project are early detection. Fire alarms can detect heat or smoke before flames are visible. Life safety. Fire alarms can alert people for safety advocate. The disadvantages of this project are installation cost. These projects can be costly and may be more cabling than other options. Installation issues. These safety requirements can have installation issues. Thank you. Today we show that how the project works.
This is matchsticks. He detect fire and this
buzzer will sound.
Buzzer will sound it. The buzzer will producing sound for alerting people.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir, teacher. I am Farhan.
I am Shadan.
I am Hasnan.
And I am Daksh.
We are standard class 2. We are excited to represent our project rain detector.
The purpose of this project is to detect rain and trigger alarm or action. The aim of this project is to design and build a accurate detect the raining etc.
Advantages. The advantages of this project are focus on water congestion by the automatically shooting of irrigation system. When it rains, it helps in reducing water waste.
Material used making this project we have used cardboard, glue, Fevikwik, acrylic color and ice cream stick.
Disadvantages. It can affect environment, limited accuracy, can't measure rain spread.
अब हम आपको अपना प्रोजेक्ट चला के दिखाएंगे। इसके पास पानी डालते हैं तो ये थोड़ा रेन डालते हैं तो ये पानी आवाज़ करता है इसका सायरन। थैंक यू।
Good morning everyone. My name is Arisha Asgar.
My name is Falak Khatun.
And my name is Angel Singh from Stand-Up 5th.
We are privileged to get this opportunity to show our skill. We shall regale with the detail of our investigation into the fascinating world of hydraulic bridge. Now, I would like to highlight some functions of it. Hydraulic bridge is a movable bridge that use hydraulics to raise and lower the bridge deck to allow ships and boats to pass through a body of water.
It's work with a hydraulic cylinder that make it possible to lift heavy load smoothly.
While making this project, we have used materials such as plastic tube, 2 syringes, cardboard, glue, scissor, cotton and acrylic color. To build hydraulic bridge, use cardboard to create a simple bridge structure. Attach 2 syringes on either side of the bridge. Fix plastic tube and fill with the water and make it movable and lifting the bridge.
The main aim of making this project is to allow tall vessels underneath, provide access control, facilitate maintenance and repair and reduce construction costs.
Let's work with the... I would like highlight some advantages and disadvantages. First, my concern is regarding advantages, and they are space saving, easy to operate, good for busy waterways, safe and stable, and some disadvantages are in case leakage can cause environment harm and scientifically to temperature change. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Zoya.
I am Soumya.
I am Midhat.
We are from Standard 8. Today, we have made a working model of dam. The aim of our project is to demonstrate how a dam works. The inherent elegance of water stream serve as the inspiration of our project.
A dam is a barrier built across a river or stream to control, regulate or store water flow. It creates reservoir, artificial lake that helps in irrigation, flood control, water supply and generate electricity.
The items we have used are thermocol, white cement, colors, black, white, green, blue, brown, pipe, switch, battery, motor, green chart paper, yellow chart paper, green chart paper, switch, pipe, tape, double-sided tape and one more tape.
The advantages of our project are reliable water supply, provides water for industries, cities and farm, renewable energy, hydropower is clean and reduces carbon emission, flood risk in downstream areas, economic growth, provides create industries and support jobs.
The disadvantage of our project is the construction and maintenance of a dam can be expensive, and if it collapses, it can cause to death of many people. And some famous dams all around the world are the Gorgeous Dam of China and the Bhakra Nagar Dam in India. Thank you.
Good morning and welcome my principal sir, teachers and to my humble abode of scientific inquiries. This is Niharika.
This is Dhanvi.
This is Nazia. And we are curious and enthusiastic team of class 7. And today we are thrilled to share our latest venture into the realm of science. As nowadays there are a lot of air pollution is releasing from industries. To reduce that we have made a simple mechanism which is carbon purification for industries.
For making this project, we use several materials such as DC robo motor, cardboard, color paper, switch, wire, fevicol, thermocol, hoop and a plastic tray. These materials help us to build a functional prototype to demonstrate the carbon purification process.
For making our model, firstly we have simulated a simple factory and top of that we have put it a white fabric. So whatever the exhaust will release from industries, it will get attached to the fabric. And when we will start our working on model, whatever the exhaust, carbon dioxide which is in the fabric will get immersed in the water and it will dissolve in the water. If you keep doing this process continuously, it will help us reduce carbon dioxide from polluting our atmosphere.
The advantages of this project are numerous. It improves product quality, increases efficiency and productivity and reduces environmental impact. Additionally, it enhances safety and compliance while also providing cost saving through reduced waste and extended equipment lifespan. Overall, carbon purification plays a crucial role in maintaining high standard and efficiency in various industrial applications.
While carbon purification has many advantages, there are some disadvantages as well. The process can be costly to set up initially. Regular maintenance is required to keep the system running efficiently. Despite these challenges, the benefits make it a worthwhile investment for industry looking to reduce their carbon footprints. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Good morning teachers, myself Utkrist Shah.
And myself Harsh Gupta.
We are from class 8. Today we have made it our project named Street Light Sensor. The work of our project is, when the daylight falls on LDR sensor, it sends the daylight. But at the night, the LDR sends the night and help LED to glow at night.
The material are used to make this project: cardboard, chart paper, glue gun, soldering iron, resistance, transistor, 0 PCB, LDR, LEDs and 9-volt battery. These materials are used to make this project.
If we will talk about circuit, the circuit is made up of transistor that is connected to resistance and resistance is directly connected to LDR, and we have connected 3.7 volt battery to run the circuit. The disadvantages of our project is, in comparison of normal street light, the management of street light sensor is more difficult. In the long period of time, the LDR gets old and start working slowly. This will lead to accident and need to change the LDR.
The advantage of street light sensor are energy efficiency, cost saving, reduced light pollution and smart city integration. Thank you.
Thank you. Bhaiya light.
Good morning, respected sir, and all of you present here. I am Aksha.
I am Gulnaz.
I am Falak. I am Shahina. I am Shafia.
We are from Standard 5, and here we are going to represent our project on microscope.
Materials. In this project, we try to use some basic material that we can arrange it easily, and they are magnifying glass, cardboard, Fevicol, transparent sheet.
Benefits. The magnifying glass can help you see things more clearly and more details. It can help people with low vision or naked eyes.
I am present here to represent advantage and disadvantage of microscope. Advantage. A microscope can help us to see small things easily. Disadvantage. A microscope can have several disadvantages including low magnification, low resolution and inability to operate in darkness.
Conclusion. A magnifying glass utilizing the principle of convex lens refraction allows for detailed observation of small objects by enlarging their apparent size.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Swati.
I am Sabina.
I am Sanjan.
I am Soumya.
We all are from a Standard 7. Today we are very excited to represent our science exhibition project, and our project is Modern Town. The purpose of this project is to serve dynamic hubs for innovation, education and technological advancement, making them ideal location for hosting science exhibition.
The aim of my project is to create sustainable, livable and inclusive human settlement that priorities the well-being of its residents by providing economic opportunities.
Advantage of our project are it provides better access, employment opportunities, diverse cultural experience. Disadvantage of this project is rating venues, transportations, logistics. Modern city can be expensive.
In making this project, we have used thermocol, chart paper, LED light, wire, switch, etc. The purpose of school in modern town. School educates, supports social skills, promote personal development and prepare students for future career and life. Hospital provide medical care, treatment, emergency services and overall health and wellness. Thank you.
Thank you.
A very pleasant good morning to Director Sir, Principal Sir and teachers. Myself Isma.
Myself Akanksha.
Myself Riya.
And myself Aliza. We, the students of class 6 standing before you all, will love to present a working model of an escalator.
Basically, an escalator is a moving staircase that carries people between floors of a building or a structure. It is powered by a motor and consists of a chain of steps that move continuously on a track.
The aim of making an escalator is to demonstrate the working model of an escalator and to explore about it.
The materials used in this project are cardboard, thermocol, glue stick, chart paper, motor, batteries, wire and switch.
Escalators have many advantages. A few of them are capacity. Escalators can move many people at once, reducing wait times. Noise and vibrations. Escalators are designed to be quiet and smooth and can be made even quieter. Speed. Escalator speed can be adjusted to manage crowds. Energy efficiency. Escalators can be turned off during non-peak hours to save energy. Escalators too have several disadvantages such as safety. Escalators can be dangerous and accidents can cause severe injuries or even death. Escalators can trap loose clothing such as scarves, mittens and shoelaces.
The first and the most important thing which we contributed for our project was our unity and understanding. We learned a lot about the history of an escalator. We felt ourselves highly fortunate to have a golden chance for participating in science exhibition. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Sir. This is Aryan Kumar from Standard 6. This is Ujjwal Kumar from Standard 4. We are excited to represent our Project Chandrayaan. The purpose and main aim of Project Chandrayaan are to educate and inspire students about Indian Lunar Exploration Program. Materials used in this project are white chart paper, thermocol, artificial plants, cardboard, LED bulbs, switch, battery. Advantage of this project are it helps students understand about lunar exploration and space technology, ISRO achievement, encourage student interest in space science and future technology. Disadvantage of this project are a large model or display may require extra space which might always be in remote exhibition because delicate or electronic models may be prone to damage. Thank you.
A very pleasant morning to respected principal sir, teachers and all present here. Myself Swati from Standard 10.
And myself Akansha Sharma from Standard 10.
Today, we got this opportunity to showcase our project in front of you. The project we made is a model of a human heart. In making this project, we use some materials like thermocol, chart paper, toothpick, syringes, transparent pipe, masking tape, etc. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood in our body throughout the day. It is the main organ of the cardiovascular system. It is located in the chest cavity between the lungs and points slightly towards the left. The heart pumps around 7,200 liters of blood in a day throughout our body. On average, it beats around 1 lakh times in a day, 72 times in a minute, and about 3 billion beats in a lifetime. The heart is usually the size of a clenched fist.
A heart is enclosed envelope of two membranes called pericardial membrane. A narrow space between these two membranes is known as pericardial cavity. A fluid is present in this cavity called pericardial fluid. A heart has 4 chambers, 2 arteries, upper chamber that receives blood and 2 ventricles, lower chamber that pumps blood out. Right atrium. Right atrium has the opening of vena cava. Right atrium gets deoxygenated blood from the body through vena cava. At very first, right atrium passes the deoxygenated blood into right atrium. Right atrium. Deoxygenated blood leaves the right atrium through pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery entering into lungs. This chamber is connected with lungs by pulmonary vein.
The left atrium empties its blood into the left ventricles through bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve is also known as mitral valve. Blood leaves the left ventricles through large main artery called aorta of the body. Aorta receives blood from the left ventricles and sent it to other parts of the body.
All veins have impure blood, only pulmonary vein have pure blood. While all arteries have pure blood, only pulmonary arteries have impure blood. The weight of our heart is 300 grams about. Our heart purifies 70 ml of blood and the sound of our heart is loved up.
The primary function of heart is to pump blood, carry oxygen and nutrition to the body tissues and removing carbon dioxide and waste products. Some special valves within the heart prevent the blood from flowing backward or unidirectionally. The heart rhythm is controlled by a natural pacemaker called a synometrical node. Thank you.
सबसे पहले इंफीरियर वेना कावा से इम्प्योर ब्लड हमारे राइट एंट्रियम में पहुंचता है. वहाँ से पहुंचने के बाद वो सब उस ब्लड इम्प्योर ब्लड को राइट वेंट्रिकल्स में पहुंचाता है. वो राइट वेंट्रिकल से फिर वो इम्प्योर ब्लड पल्मोनरी आर्टरी से निकल के लंग्स में जाता है. लंग्स में जाने के बाद वो प्योर होके पल्मोनरी वेन में आता है और वहाँ से फिर वो लेफ्ट एट्रियम में आता है. उसके बाद वो जो प्योर ब्लड होता है वो लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल्स में जाता है. वहाँ से सबसे बड़ा एट्री को लेते हुए अरोटा तक पहुँचता है. अरोटा उस ब्लड को हमारे बॉडी में सप्लाई करता है. We are very glad that our teachers has given this opportunity to show our talent in front of everyone. We are very thankful of them. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Sriraj. My name is Ujjwal Kumar. We are from class 4 and our project is windmill produce electricity. Today we are very excited to represent our project which focused on electricity. Aims to design, manufacture and supply higher quality wind turbine that effectively generated renewable energy to provide renewable and cost effective wind energy solutions to customers worldwide.
Materials used in this project are thermocol, white chart paper, DC motor, wind turbine blades, LED lights, A4 size chart papers, artificial human, artificial plants, artificial cars. Advantage of this project are low operating cost. once installed low operating cost as there no fuel cost. Disadvantage of this project: upfront cost. Installing wind turbines requires significant upfront investment. Maintenance cost. Wind turbines require regular maintenance which can be costly. Thank you.
A very good morning to Principal Sir and all of you. I am Rajveer Kumar from Standard 3. My project is this highway street lighting matic connection experiment. Highway automatic street lighting matic connection. Aim to make my project highway automatic street lighting matic connection. Material requirement: cardboard, black for chart paper, 5 centimeters wires, red wires, 5 centimeters black wire, one batteries and one switch, one producer. Me and my friends produce the highway automatic street lighting matic connection. Producer, my project is ready.
Crime reduction. Street lights can deter crime by increasing visibility. Road safety. Street lights column can be a road safety. Street light column can be a road safety. Street light column can be a hazard and cause collisions. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, Principal Sir and the teachers. My name is Farhan Anam from Standard 5. Now I would like to present using these models, materials, chart paper, thermocol, glue, balls, light and etc.
Good morning, sir. My name is MD Tasin. I am from Standard 5 and disadvantage of this project is high quality 3D models, projectors expensive to create this model.
Good morning, sir and teacher. My name is Sadab Basali from class 5, Standard 5. I am here to tell our lesson, and with great enthusiasm we come along with our project based on working model of science project.
Good morning, sir. My name is Aman Sarfraz from Standard 5. Advantages of the solar system: it helps students understand escape science. It explains fundamental properties like gravity, orbit, planetary motion.
Good morning, sir. I am Rahil from Standard 5. Procedure of solar system: step 1, cutting thermocol and base chart paper. Step 2, set the motor to the thermocol. Step 3, color all the balls. Step 4, join the copper wire to the balls to make this project.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
A pleasant good morning to all respected principals and teachers. I am Arnav Jaiswal.
I am Astha Kumari.
I am Subrata Das.
We are from class 4. My project is Spirograph. Today I am very excited to present my project that works on variety of design.
The aim and the purpose of this project is a drawing tool used to create intricate geometric patterns through circular motion.
Materials used in this project are cardboard, glue gun, screw, pink chart paper.
Advantage of this project is to intricate and beautiful patterns demonstrate mathematical concepts like symmetry, geometry, etc. Disadvantage of this project is to focus more on visual patterns rather than advanced scientific principles. Thank you.